show you what we're on with today. Can I just say a massive second birthday to our lovely little Jasper Rasper, two-year-olds today, and our James who had his birthday yesterday. But this is what we're on with today. We've got some 20mm forest bar. We've put that down to a bit of a point. I've chopped 35mm off so I can blend some of these ends on, so it blends in nicely with that. All we do is put it into a bit of a jig, and then we'll put some electric glue on that. Welding that up ready. Get all that blended in. Got a few of these in fire over here. I'll show you what we're on with. We've got plenty of these in. I'm just with pattern on that side. Just going to knock that over. Give it a little flick. Dint there. Then we're going to take it over here onto the grate. Give it a little bit more of a squidge there. Squidge there. Plenty warm enough these. Just sort of like a little bit of a flame finish on these. And they end up something like that. Yep. So every one of them has to be identical. These are for front at fire grate. What we've done here with dog legs, got some little crazy little feet on here, a bit like talons from Townley Hall, which these dog grates are going down there to Robert and crew. So thanks for your commission on them. And Townley Hall, it has something to do with falcons and raptors and stuff like that on coat of arms. So keeping all that incorporated into the job. And all we're just going to do is bend them back round. So nice and quietly away. Until you get something like these for your fire dogs, which what we're going to do is just going to punch. That's like an original fire, but we're making these but a lot bigger scale. You're probably like 3 times as big. So instead of drifting it for rivets, what we've got here is a nice fishtail, really wide, but we've had to use 40x15 bar, big stuff. Got all that there. I'm just going to punch a 21mm hole right in the centre of this. 50 tons of pressure. Boom, there you go, sausage. And that's there, right through all of that. I'm going to put a bit of 20mm through there, like that. I'm just going to warm it up. So I've got one of these over here. I'm just going to stick it in here. Pull that plug. Yellow, if we can. That's going nowhere. So anyway, you're getting used to that. These finials are all over here, so they're all going to be all lined around it with dog legs all there like that, all in situ. So we've got 2 of them to make, and I'll show you the gates that we were on with last week with the big poppy reef. We'll just have a quick butcher's downstairs. Come on! Have a good old day, Mummy, dinner! So yeah, finished article, we've got parish gates with the poppy reef and the date on it and everything. So there you go, get a gist of all that we do down here at North Valley Forge. And come on England tonight! Make sure we win, Bob Swift!